Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. So the first thing, I need to multiply by t on numerator and denominator. So if we look carefully, this one that is about number 1, and we can see that this one is similar for this one. Now let's multiply by x in here. That is about z, and we put z in here, and this one that transform into number 1, and you can see that this one is similar for this one. And now we put about the next one that is about y. And we can see that this one equals to number 1, and this one repeat again from this one. This one. And now we put the last one that is about s. And this one equals to number 1. So this one is same with this one. That means if we look carefully about this thing, we can transform this one, but we can change about the denominator in here. So right now we need to transform this one, and this one with the same with this one. So in this situation, for this one, we need to multiply by s. So this one we have like this, and we have number 1. So now we have same denominator in here. This one we need to multiply by sy. So this one we can simplify, and we have like this. And the last one that is about xyz. So this one that is about number 1. This one we have s. This one we have sy. So after we transform in this way, we can get the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.